In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a glow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by clicking on Curves and slightly darken the photo. Adjust the curve until the image looks a little darker than the original. Next, press Ctrl and I to invert the layer mask. After that, select the brush tool and begin brushing around the photo to darken the outer areas. Keep brushing around the edges until the center of the image stands out more clearly. Now click on the Ellipse tool and create a loop shape on the image. Position it where you want the glow effect to appear. Once the loop is created, press Ctrl and T to resize it. Adjust the size and position until it fits naturally inside the composition. After resizing the loop, right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Once that is done, select the eraser tool and remove the excess parts of the loop that you do not want visible in the image. Next, go to the layer settings and click on Drop Shadow. Adjust the effect to create a glow around the ring. Continue changing the settings until the glow around the loop looks smooth and visible. To create the light effect, click on Solid Color and add a new color layer. Once the color layer is added, change the layer mode to Overlay. After setting the layer mode to Overlay, select the brush tool again and brush over the areas where you want the light to appear. Paint softly around the glowing ring and any other parts of the image where you want extra lighting. Continue brushing until the glow effect blends naturally into the photo and the lighting looks balanced